Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how we like to make fruit infused water. We absolutely love this, it's such a great way to add flavor to your water and to keep you hydrated. Now how I like to prepare this for us is by simply placing everything straight into mason jars. I first start off by adding some blueberries, some strawberries, oranges, lemon, and some fresh basil, and then add in the ice and water. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. I love using the mason jars, makes it convenient to grab and go, and you can keep refilling them with more water when needed several times throughout the day. This simple and delicious infused water makes it easier to drink more water and stay hydrated. Now for the last great tip, when you're done drinking, you now have this yummy little fruit snack on the bottom. And that's my daughter's favorite part of this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys don't want to use the individual mason jars or glasses, I will have the full measurements and full recipe if you guys want to prepare it in a picture in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!